Drug abuse or substance abuse refers to the process of using certain chemicals so as to create pleasurable effects on the brain.
There are over 190 million drug users around the world, and the problem has been increasing at alarming rates, especially among young adults under the age of 30.
In India, over 8.5 lakh people inject drugs into themselves and are addicted.
Almost 3/4 of the addicts were unable to work at their workplaces. Addicted students could not attend to their studies.
A survey in India had reported that the 2/5 of drug addicts came in conflict with the law.
India, about 2.8% of the population, totaling to 3.1 crore people, are reported to be cannabis users, and nearly 1.8 crores are sedative users.
Euphoria, stress, anxiety, depression are the outcomes of excessive drug use.
According to the data given by the National Crime Records Bureau, over 2,300 people died due to drug overdose between the years 2017 and 19 in India, and the highest number of fatalities were recorded between the age group of 30 to 45 years.
The cases of drug abuse are rising rapidly day by day. Recently, Pune has recorded increasing cases of drug abuse amongst teens.
Every month, the center gets 40 cases of drug abuse. As many as 100 persons, a majority being youngsters, are admitted every month at Pune's largest de-addiction center.
Punjab is facing the same issue. Drugs have become an evil in Punjab for years now. Once the transit point on the drug route, the state has now become a major consumer base.
AIMS report concluded that there were more than 200,000 drug addicts in the state of Punjab.
As enshrined in our constitution and being one of the signatories of the United Nations International Conventions, India had the Onus Act to eliminate the use of illicit drugs and develop measures to prevent drug use.
India has adopted the three-pronged strategies: supply, demand, and harm reduction.
Our fight against drug abuse started with the enactment of the Dangerous Drugs Act in 1930. Further, for the purposes of keeping check on the use of medical drugs, the Drugs and Cosmetics Act was enacted in 1940.
India took a leap against drug abuse with the introduction of Narcotic Drugs and Psychotropic Substances Act 1985.
Under the NDPS Act, it is illicit for anyone to produce, manufacture, cultivate, possess, sell, purchase, transport, store, and or consume any narcotic drug or psychotropic substance. If anyone is found guilty for drug offences under the NDPS Act, then that person is liable for rigorous imprisonment, which can range from a period of 6 months to 20 years, or a fine that may range from rupees 10,000 to 2 lakh, or both imprisonment and fine, depending on the quantity of drugs seized by the authorities.
The cases of drug abuse are rising rapidly day by day. Recently, Pune has recorded increasing cases of drug abuse amongst teens.
To tackle substance abuse, the Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment recently launched the Nasha Mukt Bharat Abhiyan for 272 most affected districts.
We also have National Action Plan for drug demand reduction, under which 13,000 youth volunteers in 272 districts will be trained as community mobilizers against drug abuse.
To leave no stone unturned, the government made specific legal bodies for drug abuse, including the Narcotics Control Division, the Central Bureau of Narcotics, and the Narcotics Control Bureau.
As informed citizens, we all have the duty to support our government to tackle this problem of drug abuse and de-addict the society from this menace. We request you all to
Say no to drugs.
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 Say no to drugs.